Another important rule related to this nomenclature part is the structure of hierarchy. Under this heading, as you have already gone through the NCERT book, NCERT book has given the 7 obligatory categories. The 7 obligatory categories are: first one is kingdom, second one is phylum / division, third one is class, fourth one is order, fifth one is family, sixth one is genus, and seventh one is the species. So, ICBN has recognized these 7 categories. These 7 categories are the obligatory one. Obligatory one means if you have to identify or naming a plant, you have to define all these 7 categories, and after that the name of genus and name of species will be considered as the scientific name or botanical name of that particular organism. For class, the ending word is, that is suffix is Opsida or Physi. For the ending word, that is the suffix for this order is else. For family, the ending word suffix is ACEAE. These are some of the important ending words for class, order and family. Now, you people must have been aware that the name of some of the family recommended in your syllabus is not ending with this. So, for that a rule is framed there, and that rule is called nomina familiarum conservanda. Nomina familiarum conservanda, it means the name of a family will be conserved, but for those families new name will be also suggested. So, just I am going to give you the list in which the new name is already suggested, and that is in use in the taxonomy part.